Hold on. You get a bottle.
Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today, I'm here with Aaron Eubank, our National Sales Manager, and he's just going to give us a little rundown on how our sales team inside and outside is structured.
That's right. So we have 4 regions that our sales team is set up into. You have 4 outside regional managers that cover the West Coast, the Midwest, the Southeast, and the Northeast. And they are supported inside by a 2-person inside sales team. Now, I think in the previous episodes, you have already met the Southeast girls, and then you've met Brian and Aaron that cover the West Coast for us. And so hopefully in future episodes, you'll get to meet our other two sales teams region, which consists of 4 more people.
And it's really worked out well because when the regional managers are out there working with all of our distributors, they know exactly who to tell them to deal with on the inside.
It's been great because it's cut down a lot of confusion on working with multiple people on different projects. And you also get to really establish a rhythm with both your outside and your inside sales team so you know what each customer is looking for on each job.
All right, and here in the next few episodes of Mondays with Milt, we will bring on the Northeast and the Midwest regional guys will be appearing here very soon.
Great. I think they're excited about it.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. That's what we got this week. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.